Soon done this. Can't we left person?
Yes, man. It left, man. It's here for last. It's our best. Yes, man.
So when I had some people in all sweat.
They move slow, live long like turkey, you know?
Yeah.
Slowly, but surely.
Over here, sir.
Boy.
No, something wrong, man. What going on, sir?
Boy, me can't move a blood clot.
Hey, me I say, you not eat no food.
Can't move.
Yo, you might bite up the 3 dumplings them like rat.
No, I fight dumpling me get to blood clot and I don't go 2 me can't touch.
Yo, you might start bite up the next 3 dumplings them like plate like a rat. Bite yes, sir.
Let me go big people business and I go bit them. How really that man? In public.
Not public. Probably
You
just
think
on
I'm
TV.
you're going to go man problem.
Okay, man, me can't manage. Me can't manage your car.
Oh,
Me
you
can't
can't
manage.
Oh, you can't
So me forward out on the road a while ago, peeps. And me I tell you so me come see money active, you know. Me dey over yard and say, yo, me go out on the road. Come see money catch up cold stove and whole heap of cooking. From there them a cook today, me see them cook with white rice and curry chicken food active, me nah lie. And me eat and go over, go full me eat and full my belly and go over. Go edit a video and portal back out again. I cook man them a cook again. So man they nah ramp. Man they say they tap by box food. Man they say they tap by box food. I cooking on KFC. Anytime they feed. Yeah man. Man they say anytime they go to Babs and feel hungry, I cooking, and if they don't feel like cook, I KFC. But then can't bother the box food because you know full them belly.
I want a 3 pound of flour that.
For 1, 2, around 5 smaddy there, Pete. How much?
Pound of saltfish.
Look them Pete.
I want a banana.
Banana.
And 2 platinum. Spend enough for tonight. And weed and liquor after.
Then with woman. See the Pete boss, you have okra just come like forward from the farm. See night dew the bunny. Pumpkin I could have done a little longer in the farm. But you know I go more time at Jamaica, this food I feel eat. See flour there, we have some caramel, let's just say look like a dumpling. Caramel dumpling. Caramel dumpling and banana and plantain with saltfish. But saltfish and what? Come like a fry up saltfish. You're a fry up a saltfish. A saltfish and what? Oh, so that's a fry up saltfish, you know I look 2 sides. It's a fry up saltfish feast. Oh, no I'm being. Alright, that you no plan for. Alright, I say I heard. Man said they don't eat no beans. So we just have fry up a saltfish with tomato and all of them things there. We have to go get more tomato too, but we outside, you know what I mean? Yeah man, fully active man. Percy in the kitchen tonight, you know, me and chef. Percy, I chef.
Yeah man. 1 Percy out there.
And Danje, 2 of them are chefs, they want to catch fire there.
Alright. Food have to eat. Water hot you know, so flour soak ya. Make up you know and go in the pot and go and boil up.
That
Active in the kitchen please.
That up wood. Fire then ketchup. First over here, so I need up the flour, you know.
Yeah,
You use what like caramel?
in my left back some for.
For what?
Not for them, man.
So I choose. Anything Lily artist. Come on, put 3 pounds of flour and a 2 needing. Yeah, man, come on, man. 2 needing. A 10 pounds of flour, you're the 2 needing. 5 first and 5 after. Man, you left back some for this.
Yeah, man.
So you need what? £1.5 first and £1.5 after.
Yeah, I'm not take up from my camera, man. I do what I can do, yeah?
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
That fish you say on a regular cooker, people cook for you eat.
I will cook for you eat now.
I cook no but people cook for you eat.
We say I want to cook
That's
for you.
like that. One need and I need up everything, man. I not 10 pounds of flour.
10 pounds of flour I do 2
Let me
needs,
say
man.
this cook forward, come cook it pot, man.
No, man. Because you know, when we cook, we can't eat enough. When the next man cook, we eat enough.
Then I try to show you from early peeps. And this is a man have to cook for you.
No. To go in a kitchen, appetite kind of lock down away. Mine, you know. How the blood clot you deal with, mine. So you have to so much salt in 19, bro. You're careful, yeah, man.
Choke a meal, man. We there want more.
I want to go on, Max. Come on, look.
Man,
I'm not chef in nothing. I'm going to watch the chef.
we say you're not chef, so you
I'm not chef, so I have to watch his chef tape.
need up the flour yard man style.
No.
Boss, no. We say, if I got throw water in here, then it cost the person spoil the flour.
I know concrete here, mate.
Yo, that one water still, but throw in
Yes,
water.
man. Wait, no, man.
You must make say, my bill.
Most.
You want
That still want more water, man. But go and do your thing, I say you need flour.
Man need them blood.
Yo, man, I tell you, man.
Tell us, I know all the while them money I cook better. For the same money this flour, you know, like here and then fragile. Then we broke.
Yeah.
Look like you press hard up and then we broke, man.
Them broke about 2 times already.
Yeah, then fragile. Take time with it. You know, and then broke, man. Today, curry chicken and rice and bun. You see me? Man, take away everything I want.
You want curry chicken in the bad today?
We about 7, so we can't wear shoes and look like.
You see, say, well, I could have need now one time. Yo, but a whole heap of flour this, you know, you know, piece with a little patty, you know.
Them boy are chef. No care your teeth them sunrise, them now come good. Them are chef with butter.
See that yard man style, no piece of sour. Then 2 patty are the 2
Like
pressure.
a fire.
Are the 2 pressure cooker, you know.
No man, make it pot lean, man. I say pot lean sometime.
Are the 2 pressure cooker, you know, so then do them days in a pressure cooker. Right now, have food we are cooking at them. Nothing on pressure.
Yes, first.
Yes.
Flour yes. Yeah. Right now, who can tell me how much pound this way?
Take a picture of your thumbnail.
So, and then when we done boil, we'll cut up it.
Make a boil.
You could hold that. If you have a big pot with hot boiling water.
Cut you by it.
Yeah, man.
One slice, I'm gonna get it.
One side, and a man can't go no more. Yeah, man, I eat that.
Take a picture of the video.
Dumpling in a pot. Persia and Danje, the artist, I make some dumpling. And dumpling are small still, man. All 6'5" me clock, man.
Yeah, man.
Cause they small, man. Yeah, man.
So active, you know, so we couldn't make them too big.
Yeah, man, upon that piece, 1 pot of dumpling in a night, you know. And saltfish over there, so. And sitting there. Yeah, man. I don't know normal. Just there cook some food in the night, a yardman style. Long time they carry me a real, you know. So them burn out years. Holy fire burning at them now. Yeah, man, they have history, man. They cook enough food and them boil enough food, man. They carry my peeps. They have history of them could talk. They will not tell you what they create. Holy pajama. Turn over enough pot too. This the option turn over with curry goat pot.
This.
I think at this with the holes. I think I don't remember no piece, but when I'm a party, my curry goat pot turn over, and if I don't lie, this do it, you know. I hear me just tell you about history. Yeah, man, the same stove, yeah, man, turn over my pot of curry goat, man. Yeah, man, because I remember saying I'm to keep it that time there, man. So this, the up there, most of the things I'm keep up there, pot them and something. And this, man, this turn over my curry goat peeps. So that's what I tell you now, all the pot history go through. Tonight, we don't make it turn over the pot though. We don't make it turn over the pot tonight. Got trouble there. We said, don't care wash out the flour.
You feel like everything I have a big charm and a stone for your teeth, man.
Clue? I true, man. I really talk, man.
Stone never get when the rice, man. Like I said, the stone favor the rice, the white like.
And you bite it, I true, man.
Jesus Christ, it mash up the whole of your momentum, yeah, man.
That's why we have to wash the rice and pick up. First, we pick out the rice and wash it, please. Load up a dumpling. No good, no matter how you cook food, you know, man. And you done cooking, you know, man. You can't share. If you yard you cook it, remember if you cook food on the roadside. And when it done cook people, the amount of people where they have to eat it. Yeah, man. I really talk, man.
One banana skin in there, so you know the flour they don't stick to it, but you see it.
That's why you put the banana skin in it?
Yeah.
Well, the banana skin in it is because you don't want the dumpling them red up. So do your homework.
That me know.
A bomba, so me win already.
No.
Alright? So me win already.
Make them not stick to man.
No, sir.
Alright?
Your granny teacher, a blind granny teacher.
I remember saying thing about the stain funny, you know, man.
Oh, yeah.
No, man. Look here, me tell you, the biggest jam if you know your dumpling and stick, throw a little oil in water and store it. So then keep greasy. Thinking about that. Yeah, man. But if you dumpling and stick in a pot, the main reason is story pot. As you put in the dumpling, then you store it, and dumpling for go in a boiling water, hot boiling water. So no matter you throw a dumpling in it, you just come up back on the top, because what boiling water catch you, bro. Think of chattings. Banana and plantain peeps. We put in a pot here now, so food pot looking good. It's a good look, man. Oh.
Nice, so? Same way, so.
It's fully active. I'm ready for going in a pot here now. You know, a saltfish there in this, you know. Dumpling and saltfish and banana. Fully active. See that? Pot of bubble. Think of chattings. Look on that, peeps. Yeah, man, pot of bubble, man. So when you see it boil over, normally we just half up meat. Yeah, man, just half up meat like that. So look how breeze can blow through, but look you are going in it. Yeah, man, pot active, man, in real life. Look the pot of bubble. First over this, so like him peel with the saltfish. Saltfish pot done already. Done boil, so I pick you up here now.
Yeah, man, see it there? Active, my peeps.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, the saltfish pot active, so you know, I'm going to throw off water off of here now.
And you don't know. We just work with what we have. We fry it up with some okra and tomato and onion and them things there. You know what I mean? Yeah man, a real life man. Because they are the right thing man, the outside man. Yo, just mind to mash up a banana. Yo, no man, you're not for your story pot man. Why your story pot?
No more try sink them plant there man. Them go down in there, you know. Them go down in the water go boil man. Pot full you know man.
Yo, me teach you craft man. If anything you see that pot there, put it on there so and throw water in there and make it boil up. As it start boil up, you throw you over them.
You like to ask this first?
No, yeah man, if you want water to go over it man, as you may say. And the same water.
No, man, you don't want no water over it. Because see, the banana they almost boiled there.
I want you to see how the little plant them away, you see it.
You go and stay with the half crack. Yeah. You see that? You have to cook up the man now, no?
Pot smelling sweet. Saltfish start fry up there now with the okra and tomato and the onion. And we are cook it down with some coconut milk. And then you know it's a food ready. Yardman style. Yeah man. In real life man.
Tips don't look hard purpose Maggi, you know, and we never cook like Maggi.
Yeah man, fully active man. Throwing the coconut milk to put it from this and make it cook down and then you know it's a food ready for eat.
So really like it too, you know man.
Aye. Food soon done you know, peeps. Such a coconut milk. Coconut milk in a pot. Yo, it smells sweet, you know. Yo, this I got bad. Look how run down business. Look on that one. Fry up saltfish, cook down with the coconut milk and a normal peeps. Pretty. Smell good and it tastes good. Yardman style. Share, I start share some food I know. You see, pre? Yeah man, share out time I know man. Fully active man, we're outside. Dumpling for days. Percy, rest of your chef tonight?
Yes man, we see him one man, they're artists, and I give him props.
You're the artist? Yeah man, the man the artist and chef. Plate they're looking good peeps. Dumpling. So other one that takes so long on the table? That one they miss a plate, so what go on?
I feel one man.
So you not take you up man? Cause me just use me and take you up, you know. I know for your plate that. That a for your plate man. See Percy plate yeah. Yeah man, a Percy plate that man.
Yes man.
See artist wanna plate.
Oh, one more dumpling na artist plate. I want to deal with this.
Artist
But I ramp it me in a Percy.
artist, crave me as a peeps.
Hey, look at that plate they stand out
Percy,
peeps.
two in a this in a one.
That man, that one they're good for me.
Well, you see that plate there? That plate I want there in a middle peeps. The two stand out.
Two stand out.
Yeah man. That plate there for there in a middle man. Yeah man. It look more bossy. The officer, well on, it's a crave man plate that. No, I'm not craving, just eat enough. So don't get it wrong. And I'm make you can't eat enough food. I'll pumpkin little peeps, your thing active man. And so I go on here, so saltfish run down, Percy production. Yeah man. I don't know, normal man. Pot so empty.
Only no food left in the same man.
Yeah man, fully active. It's leather.
Heaviest bit of food this year gonna from here start. Do it.
Then food I make yellow.
From here start, the heaviest bit of food this year name. Do it. You know name no blood clot good food. You can't cost do it.
You do your thing man. Yeah man.
Yeah, no, I see a Percy save you. When you go to hospital and a quarter pound you weigh like saltfish.
And right now it's a pound of saltfish. We have a mash up. So in extra life.
More have look for weight because I get a pound of saltfish.
Yeah.
I see how my plate looks so my what happen?
Oh, you still want something else in a
Yeah.
5? Oh, you mean? See him
I
there?
mash up the whole place today, that's what.
Yo, we
Yeah,
outside.
man, I size up the boy Percy. I size up.
Me take 5 to man. Yeah, man.
Me Chibo! My riches is life. My riches is life. Right now, peeps, it are free riches this. You mean? My riches is life. But me have life. Me not have to eat oxtail and them things there. Dumpling and butter. My riches that same way.
Alright.
Sharing time, you know, peeps.
When I put in my own, make sure you make your hand feel like it's a chim bone.
Fully active, man.
Tell me and shit.
Yeah, wait, man.
Just see for your one. Where say I want the pumpkin of you? Boss, say see for your one, peeps. Yeah, man, we active, man. I share some food, man. In a real life, yard man style. Where say artist? Yes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, man, whole heap of gravy. But me wanna get the gravy.
Man.
We want still more gravy.
A soup.
Mad me, mad out.
Pakasa business.
I got the 28 now. Alright, see it up, peeps.
Where say who should have for me?
See it there, it's done. Anyone to take some?
Don't have to, right?
Mashed up I wanna peeps. Yeah, man. Peeps,
Whenever there.
when I come on the road, come get my belly full. It's a good look. It's a good look. Come get my belly full. What going on, artist? So it tastes fully active. That one, yeah. That one there for me over there, so. Yeah, man. Custom bill.
Percy, you have to watch that sunrise and then drink the water now, so yeah.
This food mad.
Yeah, man, Percy, if you wash off your hand and drink the water, man, car.
And me can tell him about coconut milk and the Maggi.
That sauce is bad.
So, a good time forward, can I can tell him about coconut milk and the Maggi. Yeah, coconut milk.
Look up from here, start like Shangus plate and food is here. Ask me an ask us. Yeah, go on yourself. One person badness.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Fully active peace society. We just there upon the local engine and we local community and just all our vibes, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Good live it here, you know what that you want? Yeah, man. Fully active, man. We outside. Mash up some food. Yeah, that's the body. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? That sound like you can't take off the meat, take off for the meat there, you know. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? Boba, that one the bad. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah?
If food mad.
Oh, yeah?
Man, I'm gonna like, subscribe, and share up the channel. Yeah, man, more mash up some food. Man.
Yeah, man, fully active, man. Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Yes, it's on to them.
Oh, yeah?
Physics and science, huh?
Alright, please.
The man. Okra. Saltfish. Dumpling. Yo, me fi tell what chat. Oh, yeah? Mad. Yo. Mad, man.
Say one for food, cause
Active, man. Oh, yeah? Mad. Mm-hmm.
We go on dance, man.
No.
Let's go on to the fourth.
First when they flower, you need a boil.
Every day I lower part and every day I top. I'm not going to turn like artist
When they flower, them need a boil.
I'm gonna go get
Every day I lower part and every day I top. Which one?
I'll both then need it.
Alright, them active with daughter and daughter, yeah?
Alright, four.
Oh yeah?
Let's go on. Let's never rest.
Oh yeah? Good bad peeps. Oh yeah?
Solid like China.
People, how this?
You can't talk, man. Right now, that talk to my grave. You can't grave, you see me in plate. Oh yeah?
Bro, it's solid like China,
Let's
man.
go, man.
So it's solid like you are China.
Yeah, no.
Some guys are bad shit.
Soon done this. Can't you left person?
Yes, man. It's left, man. It's here for last time. It's our best. Yes, man.
So now some people now that sweat.
They work hard.
They move slow to live long like turkey, you know?
Clear.
Surely, but surely.
Over here, son.
Boy,
No, something, over there, something wrong, man. What going on, son?
boy, me can't move a blood clot.
Like me, I say, you not eat no food.
Can't move.
Yeah, you might bite up the 3 dumplings them like rat.
No, I 5 dumplings to get to blood clot and I'm going to 2 me can't touch.
Yo, you man start bite up the next 3 dumplings like plate like a rat. Bite yourself.
Let me go big people business and I go big them. How really are going? In public.
I public. Probably
You take
just
up
on
your
TV.
car. You boy take up man problem.
Look at me can't manage. Me can't manage your
Oh,
car.
you take up man. Oh, you can't have
Yo, I want things still, you know. You see, no matter where you eat, and your belly full, you can't go and force eat. You see dumpling, you see when your belly full, you can't name that, yeah, man. Not even anything in your mouth, you have to get rid of you.
That's